Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and More. Welcome back to our channel and welcome back to Finally Crafting. It is a collaboration that me and Tree are hosting each month, and it's on the third Wednesday of the month. And basically it is using up those crafting supplies that you haven't used, that you purchased and you probably put away, or you just haven't used it. Anything. It could be sewing as well. It could be anything that you would like that is craft related. Anyway, yeah, so we would love to have you join us. You guys are welcome to join us at any time. It's not a you have to do it every month, and it's just whenever you feel like hopping on and just doing it. We would really appreciate it. So anyway, so these, let me go ahead and show you guys. These are the dies that I ended up using. I had not used this. I think I tried. No, I don't, because I had just. Anyways, I'm thinking like I don't remember doing this at all. I've had this. This is one of my first dies that I got when I started crafting. So love it, love it, love it. It's so cute. I'm not too sure who this one comes from, but I had it in my stash and I've used it once before. So I just, it's been a while. I have these words and I did use the hello. And as you guys can see, it is a Zizix die. And then I also use these strawberries. Okay, and this is a cathyscreativekrafts die. And I fell in love with this. Oh my goodness, I did not know I had this. Well, I knew I had it in my stash, but I did not know the purpose. So, anyways, it is a little box, and somebody enabled me here on YouTube to purchase it. Not too sure who it was. I want to say it was Ebony, uh, but I'm not too sure. Just can't remember if it was her or if it was my goodness, so many talented crafters that I watch. Just can't remember everybody. This was in my stash. Not too sure who this is from, but I used this. And this one is a Nicole, oh my god, Nicole Silhouette die that she had last year or back in August. And I actually used this one right here. Love it. And excuse the glare, you guys. And then I also used these old old stamping up um ink pads. And you guys, I've had this forever, you guys. If you guys know, you guys could tell, sorry about the mess back there, but if you guys know that this is an old stamp die or stamp pad, and then they switched it to this one, and then they went to this one right here. So this one is the second old and this is a newer version. So you guys, this is probably like, oh my goodness, I want to say a good 20 years, you guys. I bought it when I was working in California back a long time ago, way before my last two kids, and I believe it's 20 years old. Yeah, I learned from this from a patient of ours, and she had us go to a Stampin' Up party. And oh my gosh, if you guys haven't ever gone to one, they are so much fun. They're so exciting. I would really recommend if you guys have an opportunity. And then I use this. Wait, oh, I think it's a 1 inch um, punch that I use because it's not. It has the link right there. Anyway, so yeah, these are the items I used, and this is what I ended up making. Oh, I almost forgot, you guys. I also used this paper pad. This was my inspiration for what I ended up crafting. And this is a Craftsmith. This is the new pad that they just came out not too long ago. So something new that I'm crafting with. So this is what I ended up creating. Some of the items that I already have on here are from my stash. So yeah, anyways, isn't that cute? So here is that little box. Here's the strawberry. And this is also a chaos craft bow, butterfly bow that I already had. And yeah, I just used some trim and I did use Velcro right here. I'm not too sure I might hide that. But anyways, yeah, look at that. So I put this little box in here just before I forgot it. And this is this box right here. Okay, and the reason I showed the ink pads is because I did ink or edge ink around the strawberry. So yeah, there you go. And then, so here, I'll just put it here so you guys can see it. And this is the little box. And here, like I said, some of these items were in my stash. So a lot of these items were most of my stash. So this is the little box. And that's what it looks like. Oh my goodness. That paper pad is so cute, you guys. Anyways, and then I ended up making this. I had this rosette in my stash. I had these on my stash. I just went ahead and die cut the strawberry, and I put some of this here. And reason I love this, you guys, oh my gosh, if you guys ended up getting that little, this is a Sislix box, and it actually, you could put your colors in here. Like if you guys are going to do a kids theme or something, if it's perfectly in there, I love it. And this is where I punched my hole. It does come with the die, so you can do it there, but I just did it with the punch. And then I am missing one item, you guys. Oh, here. This is my last one. Love it. Love how this came out. And yeah, there's my hello. There's the die. And oh, it turned out so cute. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. And I just left that blank. And that is all, you guys. So I haven't crafted in a while. It's been, oh my goodness, maybe 2 months. 2 months. And oh my goodness. So anyways, long story short, I hosted, I guess, family here in last week and a half ago, I guess I want to say. My brother got married. Yay, congratulations to my brother. So yeah, so I had, prepared my home and everything. So happy. Anyways, you guys, thank you for taking the time to watch. And it's never too late to start crafting again. Use your old stuff that you had and new stuff and just put it together and just, be inspired. Anyways, thank you again. And don't forget to go over to Tree's channel. Check her out if you guys haven't. And then Brenda might be joining us this month. So go over to her channel and show her some love and support as well. And anybody else that joins, just make sure you tag us, you guys. Again, bye for now.